You have another tool, Western Union?
Western Union, Remitly, and Payoneer. But most of our client pay us through Remitly.
Remitly.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
This is Paravi and Mr. Habibul and me. We are teammate and we do YouTube marketing, Facebook ads, Google ads, social media marketing and management, and all type of digital marketing related work. Recently, our team member Mr. Habibul has reached out to you and he already sent you a screenshot. What problem he found? He already researched and audited your YouTube channel and found some growth related issues, and he already sent you a report sheet mentioning the problem. So, if you're interested, then we can go ahead.
I get that, but like, how are you gonna do the SEO? What are
Okay.
you what are you gonna do? How are you gonna get more views? How are you gonna get right tags? How are you gonna get the right titles? How are you gonna find the right way to find an organic virality for each video to go as far as possible based off search demands, right? How do
Yeah.
you do that?
Okay, so we do at first optimizations, and we optimize at first your metadata and meta tags, and we have lot of tools to optimize high volume rank tags for YouTube videos. So we have lot of paid and free tools to optimize that things. At first we audit your YouTube, each of the your YouTube video, and then we will pick the best high volume rank tag for that your videos which tag has high search volume and competition has low according to your niche. Then we research that things on our tools, then we will put on your metadata your video title tags and descriptions, and after doing that we also promote your videos to Google ads according to your target audience. Okay.
When you say Google Ads, who's paying for that?
uh, our package includes Google ads payment. We have two packages. One is starter and another is standard. In our starter package we will optimize your 10 video optimizations and promotions, and it costs 120 USD, and it takes 7 days to deliver the work. And another package is standard package. In our standard package we will optimize your 30 video including Google ads promotion and optimizations, and it costs 300 USD, and it takes 30 days to deliver the work. Okay. Hello.
Okay, but meaning so I right now I'm running YouTube ads globally on my page so I
Okay.
can get cheap followers and subscribers.
Okay. So we
So
are
I
expert.
strictly need, and I'm getting like point 0.2 cents per follow on my YouTube ads. I'm running YouTube ads already. I need help with the SEO. Strictly only the SEO of organic optimization for every video on my page to make it get more views. Organic views.
Definitely.
That's what I'm looking for.
Yeah, we can help you, no problem. And 100% organically, we can help you. But each method who is going through organic, it takes times. So when we do organic method, then it takes sometimes. Normally, it takes 3 to 6 weeks to get results. Okay.
Okay, and how much is it for the SEO for all like that? How does that work?
Okay, for the ACO only, we have also two packages. One is a starter and another is a standard. In a starter package, we will optimize your 10 video ACO only, and it costs 80 USD. And another package is standard. In a standard package, we will optimize your 20 video, and it costs 150 USD.
Okay. And then once you do that, do you think I'm going to see improvements? Do you think I'm gonna actually, it's going to benefit me?
Definitely, your video will rank on YouTube, and gradually your video will start to getting more views, and your channel will start to getting more subscriber. But it not possible within overnight, because if we do organic, then it takes some times. So normally it takes 3 to 6 weeks to get result.
Yeah.
but we try our best to provide you the better service, because our client satisfaction is our first priority, and we believe that if we provide you the better service, then you will hire us for the next day. So we try our best to provide you the better and 100% organic service.
Okay. So if I do 10 videos, it's $80, right?
Yeah. So my suggestion, I have a suggestion for you. My suggestion is, at first you can take our starter package for $80 for 10 videos, and you judge our work. And if you think that our process is working for you, then you can hire us for the next time. And we definitely provide you 100% organic and honest based work, and we will be 100% honest to you. And our client's safety, our client satisfaction is our first priority. So when you start work, we have two method. One is you can give your channel access to us as a editor or editor limited. Then we can optimize each of the things from our side. But if you do not want to give your channel access, we have second method, which is you just send your 10 video links to us. Then we will optimize from our side and make a report sheet. Then we'll hand over to you. Then you just implement to your videos by yourself. So which method you want to follow?
I see. So you're saying I have one option to give you access. The other option is send you the videos. You'll
Yeah,
give me instructions what to do for each videos,
yeah,
right?
yeah,
And then I implement it.
yeah. But access is the
Uh,
best way. If you give us only editor access, then we can edit your metadata, title, tag, descriptions, and nothing we can do.
got it. Got it. Okay. All right.
And our payment system is, when you hire us, you can pay 50% advance and rest of the 50% after completing the work. And to receive money, we support Remitly, Western Union, and Payoneer. But PayPal is not supported in our territory.
Okay. All right.
Okay, so
You have another tool, Western Union?
Western Union, Remitly, and Payoneer. But most of our client pay us through Remitly.
Remitly.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
All
So
right.
our,
Send me this. Do you have Teams?
yeah, yeah, we have teams. Mr. Habibul
Add
will be your contact
add
person.
me. I gave you my did I give him my Skype my Teams name?
Okay.
Okay. Look, send me this a message here on WhatsApp and on Teams, and then I'll finalize everything soon, inshallah. Okay?
We don't have Skype teams. We use WhatsApp and Gmail only.
All right. Send me a message on WhatsApp. Okay.
Okay.
I have to go.
Our team member
Okay.
Habibul will send you after finishing the meeting. He will send you a message, and he
All
will
right.
send his payment details and Gmail also. And further communication will go through your Gmail.
Allah Hafiz. Thank you.
Okay. Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.
Salam.